In this video, we know how to make silhouette photos using PicsArt. First of all, download PicsArt application. Open it. Give the app access to your media files. Click Allow. This page will appear. On this message, click Sync to save your project on folder you want. Here is folder of saved work. However, you can make a new one. Then back and go to Drawings section and click on Big Canvas. Here you have presets of sizes, and we can scroll right and left. We go right, find Custom. Click on Custom. Make the size, width and height as you want, as I will choose 2000 2000. Then click on upper right bank icon, the right row. We give this panel. Great. After, click on Layers icon on the left and hide background by clicking on eye icon. Then go click on upper left row icon. Click Edit Image. From right panels, search for Add a Photo and click on it. Pick the photo that you want. And click Add. Scale in the photo to start working on it. Great. On left, click on Eraser tool. Here we have the tools that we will use here. There are Restore, Eraser, and Invert. First of all, pick the eraser and click twice to see the amounts of the brush size and hardness and opacity. You can adjust the size and opacity and hardness depend on the style you want. Give it a try. If you will remove a background, make sure brush size is small to make the edges perfect. Make hardness 100% in this case. Let's start removing the background. As a trick, you can use Scale In, Scale Out, Perfect Selection. By the way, we have two ways to back a mistakes or steps back. It's using a Restore or upper left row icon to back steps. Now, I will speed up the process to not make boring of the video and to make it faster. As a trick, we can use invert to see if there are stains or some dots or lost areas or not. If there are, we can adjust them by eraser or restore. So, here we are, click on done mark. Click on it again, on left and again on a row. Click on gallery to save it. Back again and go to main page. Click don't save and click save if you want. Here in top, search for the photo you want to add. I will add this straight. Cool. Down, we have tools icon. Click on it and search for crop. And search for portrait. By the way, it's your choice, back to you. And click done. On tools again, search for adjustments. Edit the photo's colors till get best adjust that's satisfying you. And click done. After that, go to add photo. Bring the one we removed background for and adjust the size of it to make it real with the straight background. Here when we adjust the colors of the guy, we have to decrease the brightness to make it darker as it's silhouette photos and make everything of the guy darker. And then click done. Go to add photo once again and pick photo you need to add to make it more silhouette and click crop. Remove or crop the part you don't need to appear. Then search for blend icon and choose a screen. As you can see changes, go to eraser tool just to make a little adjusting. Click done twice. Great till now. Once again, add photo, add the moon and positioning it and go to the blend, choose a screen. Then adjust and do it. Click done. The last edit, go to effects, choose film effect, click on it twice to see the amount, and if you want adjust the amount, just back to you, adjust them. And click done, and here we are, finished the tutorial and we are done. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed and have a great time.